In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record refunds from vendors in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing office expenses or tracking business purchases, knowing how to properly record vendor refunds is an essential part of keeping your books accurate. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident in handling these transactions, ensuring your expense accounts and bank records are perfectly aligned. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Now let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to your dashboard. To begin recording the refund, click the New button located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open up a drop-down menu with various transaction options. From the options that appear, select Vendor Credit. This is the form you'll use to record the details of the refund you've received. Once the vendor credit form is open, enter the vendor's name in the designated field. QuickBooks will recognize the vendor and automatically populate any relevant information associated with that name. Next, set the date of the credit. This should match the date of the refund as shown on your receipt or bank statement. This ensures your records are consistent and easy to reconcile later on. Now, enter the refund amount in the appropriate field. Be sure to double-check this figure to avoid any discrepancies after that. Select the same category or item details that were used in the original purchase. For example, if the original transaction was for office supplies, make sure to choose office supplies here as well. This step is crucial for maintaining consistency in your accounts. To add more clarity, include a memo or reference number in the form. This could be a quick note about why the refund was issued, such as refund for returned items. Adding this extra detail will make it easier to identify the transaction later. Once everything is filled out, take a moment to review the totals on the vendor credit form. Make sure all the information is accurate. When you're satisfied, click Save to record the vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. With the credit recorded, the next step is to match it with the refund that was deposited into your bank account. To do this, open a new bank deposit in QuickBooks Online. You'll find this option under the New button, just like before. In the bank deposit form, select the bank account where the refund was deposited. Then, set the deposit date to match the day the refund appeared on your bank statement. This step is important for keeping your bank register accurate. Now, enter the refund amount in the deposit lines. Be sure to use the same accounts as those you selected on the vendor credit form. This keeps everything aligned and ensures your records are consistent across the board. For added clarity, include the vendor's name and a brief description in the deposit details. For example, you might write refund for returned items. This helps you easily identify the transaction if you need to reference it in the future. Before finalizing, carefully review the deposit information, double-check the bank account, date, refund amount, and the accounts used. Once you're confident everything is correct, click Save to record the bank deposit. Finally, confirm that your expense category balances are accurate and that the bank register reflects the refund on the correct date. This final check ensures your records are fully aligned with the transaction. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.